In today's video, I am going to make and review this building slip from Building Boats. It is basically a building stand to help making ship models frame and hull. Let's quickly go through the kit contents. The first impression, it is heavy. Inside, you will find 2 engineering wood base plates, parts for the notched keel rail, and laser-cut pieces of the keel stanchions. With the illustrations from the instructions, putting this stand together should be very straightforward. I started by putting the 2 base plates together. I like using the fast-drying wood glue for bonding the wood pieces. It saves a lot of time. Then I moved on to putting the keel rail pieces together before installing them on the base. I found out by doing this way it was easier to have a very straight keel rail. After positioning the center line, I glued the rail to the base. I used a hobby knife to cut out the stanchion parts. A bit of sanding might be required to remove the imperfections. The rest of the assembly was very straightforward. The only tricky part was I glued the side feet after I placed the stanchion on the base, just in case you need to adjust the side feet to find the center. I mounted a 1:60 scale HMS Endeavor keel to try it out. The HMS Endeavor was a very popular kit, and it should be over 32 inches long after finished. With filling some wood pieces, the keel was firmly mounted on the stand. It only took like half of the stand. I also got plenty of rooms to apply the C-clamps. After trying out the Endeavor, I took some measurements of the building stand. I even used a laser level to double-check that all parts were straight. I think the BB397 Esmeralda kit is one of the largest ships from Building Boats. It will be over 43 inches long after finished. Well, I hope this video answered some of your questions about this building slip. I cannot wait to use it for my next project. Please stay tuned. Good luck building and see you next time.